Welcome back to our iMonitor tutorial video series. In this video, we would like to show you the display adjustment options of our iMonitor. So, this reliable companion gives you the greatest possible overview during the day and at night. To adjust the screen settings on the iMonitor, simply touch the bottom of the screen and swipe up. You will now see the display toolbar. Let's explore the individual buttons now. The first one allows you to restart or shut down the iMonitor. The next button serves as helpful reminder of all track guidance functions of the iMonitor. After activation, you will see so-called help nodes above all operating and display elements. By tapping on them, you will get a very short and concise information. For the next button, we first jump back to the iMonitor. Here you have the option of inserting a USB stick to import or export data. Then before you remove the USB stick, disconnect it by touching the USB eject button. A message will appear stating that the USB stick can be safely removed. The following two buttons allow you to take screenshots and even screen capture videos. Note that this function requires an inserted USB stick. The entire screen layout from the displayed application to the information bar at the bottom of the screen, also called dashboard, can be saved and managed. To do this, use the Global Home Screen Management. This saves the current main view including all view configurations. To switch between the saved main views, press the Go to Home Screen button. Depending on your settings, you can switch between home screens or display a list to select the one you want. The setup for this function can be found in the Setup menu under Users in the Environment sub-item. Let's return to the display toolbar. The next two buttons control the brightness of the screen. Finally, we reached the Day-Night Color Scheme button, which allows you to switch between day and night modes on the screen. You have three options: Night Mode, Day Mode and Auto Mode. In Auto Mode, the color scheme is automatically set based on ambient light conditions. These screen settings provide flexibility and customizability, ensuring an optimal viewing experience on the iMonitor throughout your workday. Discover also our other videos to learn useful tips and tricks about the iMonitor.